Hello again. Today it's homemade mayonnaise, so much nicer than the stuff you get in the supermarket. If you wanted to make aioli instead, just mince 2 cloves of garlic in the bowl first for 8 to 10 seconds on speed 10. Hello, good afternoon, and today we are going to make mayonnaise in the Thermomix. So I've started off by weighing it into this jug, 250 grams, and I'm using rapeseed oil. You can use sunflower oil. I don't recommend you use virgin olive oil because it's just too strong, but you could add a touch of that if you wished. So let's get going. So we've weighed the oil, 250 grams, and then all that's left to do is to put the egg. In we go, whole egg, and a teaspoon of lemon juice or white wine vinegar. I've actually mixed the two because I quite like the flavour. 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1, 2, there we go, and black pepper, and a touch of salt. So what we do now is put this measuring cup in. Now this is designed not to fit totally snugly into the lid. So what we're going to be doing is pouring the oil on top, so it slowly releases the oil into the bowl and emulsifies it for us. We can do that making béarnaise sauce or hollandaise as well. If you melt the butter first, you can pour it in slowly. But we did find a method you could do it all in one. So here we go. It's going to be 1 minute and 30 seconds at speed 4. No temperature. And then we just start pouring. And it goes over the lid. Come here and have a look, Sanders. So I'm just doing it in a thin stream. And it will make its way through really slowly. Okay, we'll come back to you. So, all the oil is in, and a couple of seconds to wait. Here we go, there's the little tune. And just leave that like that. And here we have homemade mayonnaise. Want to taste?
Tasty.
Nice, isn't it? And we can use our trick with the thing. There we go. And pop it into the jar. And that'll last up to a week in the fridge. Glasses, on, off, on, off. Thanks very much for watching. That's been mayonnaise.